Viewers, getting in a fresh breaking from Jammu and Kashmir, where two more groups affiliated with the Hurriyat have discarded separatism under the Modi government. Separatism is breathing its last, and the triumph of unity is echoing across the Kashmir Valley. The news was posted by Union Home Minister Amit Shah on his social media, saying that at least two more groups of Hurriyat have been able to be brought under the ambit of the BJP government. We're also being joined by my colleague Zeenat live on the broadcast to get us more information on the matter. Zeenat, tell us about this latest triumph that comes under the BJP's pocket.
See, definitely this is a change in the Kashmir that we are seeing under Modi government's rule, because we have been seeing in the last 5 to 6 years post-abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, things in the Kashmir Valley have changed and separatism has taken a back seat. Because when we see the separatist leaders, most of them are behind the bars, and their ringleaders or the ground workers too were arrested, detained, and the UAPA charges were slammed by the J&K police and the MHA against those, and that has led to establish peace in the valley. Since these separatist leaders or the members don't have people now to save their skins, and if at all the way the valley is dealing with the current situation, so it becomes difficult for them to operate. Now they are coming openly and informing the public and taking a pledge that they align with the constitution and the sovereignty of the country, and they desist from the separatist activities. Recently, one of the separatist leader and a very close aide of late Hurriyat band chairman Saeed Ali Shah Gilani's Shabir Yasir Risi's uncle, he also said that Hurriyat was misleading the public, and they have not been able to fulfill the aspirations of the people, and he aligned with the sovereignty of the country. That tells you that how the narrative and the scenario in the J&K has changed, because separatism has taken the thousands of lives due to their separatist policies. They have put people into the blood things, and they have made people to put into the stone pelting, into the anti-national activities, and finally those people could not achieve anything except they were buried in the graveyards, or they were buried beneath the soil, which now the people of Kashmir have understood, and we are seeing that is the reason that now the local recruitment has come down into zero, come down into single digit, which is definitely a success for the security forces, when earlier the local terrorists would be in hundreds, and now that 3-digit figure has come into the single digit. All this tells you about how the security forces on the ground has changed the scenario, and that has also made these people to shun the voice of separatism in the Kashmir Valley.
Right, Zina. Thanks very much for joining in with those details. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a changing time for the Valley of Kashmir.